Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea. Special chapter, The Gift. Back to the house. Right now, the two of them went home after Chitang performing on the university. Chitang, happy Valentine's Day. This is my gift for you. Now, Chitang said to her, I prepared it for you. Open it first. So it turns out the two of them have already given to each other. But right now, Chitang, she was really blushing. I changed my clothes first. Please wait for me. Chitang said to Yuyu. Well, definitely, she was really shy. Also right now, Yuyu, she was opening the gift. It turns out the two of them gave each other the same shoes with the same color. Well, it was really funny. It is really the same shoes. But right now, Yuyu, looking at her face, she was really happy and smiling. After a few minutes, right now, it was Shitang. She walked out on the room. Well, definitely, she was wearing a beautiful dress together with the red shoes. But now, Yuyu, she seems to be enchanted. Looking at her, she was really blushing. Now, she cannot speak. She was only looking at Chitang. Well, definitely Chitang. She looks really beautiful. Yuyu said to herself. Seeing Chitang like this, of course, Yuyu, it was really flattering. Suddenly, she wanted to grab Chitang's hands. Looking at the two of them, now, they're holding her hands. It was Chitang and Yuyu. Two of them are wearing the beautiful dresses and also the shoes. How come I didn't know that he's also popular in the school? Same year, senior. You are a genius in physics. I haven't seen you for a few days and I miss you every day. Yuyu said to Chitang. Now, she moved closer to her and Chitang, she was really blushing. Now, I thought you wouldn't come today. Chitang said to her. I was planning to go to your school to find you. Well, definitely. They're studying on a different university. I almost didn't hear the first half and I had persuaded my instructor to let me out early. Next time, I'll make sure to arrange my time well. Yuya said to her. Right now, Chitang, she was thinking silly and now step on Yuyu's shoes. Well, definitely, it was really lame moves right now. Now, looking at it, Yuyu, you want to trick her and pretending to be out of balance. Now, Chitang, she will calm down with her. Well, definitely, her heart's really thumping. Because Yuyu, she's getting tricky at this moment. Looking at Chitang, she seems to be fine. Yuyu, did you do this on purpose? Looking at Chitang, seems to be getting this. I don't know if I did it on purpose, but one kitten is tripped me and then blame me for stepping her tail. Right now, it was Chitang. She was looking at her. Probably, she was really enchanted by the beauty of Yuyu. Now, looking at her, she moved really closer to her. The next time I'll perform, please come earlier. I'll be here from now on. Yuyu said to her. Well, definitely, they're really getting better at each other. Yuyu said to her, my girlfriend. Well, she was really sweet. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for joining the membership. Bye!